rebound. And the first possession is Team Tanta, number 0, looking for his teammates. Rejected. Kuya ni Kelkel, long pass to Igat, number 8, easy layup, puts it in. 2-0 tayo agad. And hey, shot clock violation tayo. Ayan, shot clock lagi.
Basta kanda mo lang yung number.
Number 8, tumira ng glass, wala yan. Rebound na yan ni number 11. Number 11, 2. Number 25. 2 number. Wala pa rin. Nakuha pa rin yan ni number 11. Nice kilan yan. Ayan, na jump ball. Jump ball. Possession yan ng Team Kelkel. Team Kelkel, dribbling the ball. Number 13. Number 13. Number 11. Floater. Ayan, ayan. Ano yung tawag ref? Basa? O, basa. Pakaya naman. Basa. Tata yung ano. Pamunas. Number 25. Crenshaw. Crenshaw. Naghanap na mabasahan si Crenshaw. And a loose ball, same ball possession. Our score is still 2-0.
Buenas daw yan.
And now, see, Crenshaw, drop pass to number, naipit, forcing the open shot, rebound ni number 4. Pass to number 11, kabatok, to number 25, overshoots, rebound ni number 0. Number 0, Crenshaw, number 25, wala pa rin yan. Drop pass kay number 13, floater, and a foul.
Number 4.
Foul si number 4.
Walang basahan.
Tama lang, hindi mo na sila. Possession na.
3-0 ang ating score. Feliciano in the line. Second one is good. Number 25, Crenshaw. Lane violation. Seven minutes 23. Kelkel, drop pass to Montiano, to number 11. Istil yan ni Crenshaw. Pinasa kay number 0. Puts it in. Nakaka-score na rin ang Team Tantan. 2-4 ang ating score.
Running time mo lang yan. Yung shot clock lang ang point mo lang dyan.
Kelkel, nakuha yan ni Cellphone. Montiano for the 3! 3 points yan ni Montiano.
2 points lang.
2 points.
2 points lang, sorry. Bawas ka isa. Oh, number 8. Hindi po shot clock pa rin tayo.
Pindutin mo yung
Crenshaw.
Pindutin mo yung
tumatakbo na. Recovered by number 4. What a beautiful, strong, offensive. Isat mo lang. 11, Selfo. Puts it in. 2 points yun.
Sino hindi naglalaro sa'yo?
Nakakawan. And a steal by Team Kelkel. Team Kelkel. Drop pass to Selfo. Foul tayo dyan, si number 11.
Huwag mo hihinto yung oras pa. Tuloy-tuloy yun. Ay, hindi.
Ba't hindi gumagana yung ano?
17 mamatay yan. Bilis, 24 na ulit.
Oo, ganun.
Ayan, alam mo na. Tuloy-tuloy yung oras. Tapos yung pag maubos yung shot lang.
Bantok, short ang tira. Rebound niya ni number 11 sa Team Kelkel. Number 13, Racing, penetrating, Feliciano. Finds number 21, Montiano. Beautiful isolation at the baseline. 10-4 ang ating score.
Laton na.
Laton na tayo. Laton tayo. Laton.
Ball out of bounds at timalo, patayin yung shot. Paano mo patayin yung shot lang? Yung oras. Kasi, kasi yung shot lang niya, wonder.
Oras na lang patay. Pagka na out of
Set mo sa 24. Kasi hingin 8 seconds mo yun. Hindi, wala eh. Ayaw patayin eh. Dapat pagka-ball out of bounds at timalo, patayin mo. Dahil gumagana yung shot lang.
alam na yan. Yan mo lang ang problem ako, boss. Alam mo, pag-out of bounds lang. Alam mo lang gawin.
Number 1, tumira. Recovered. Number 13. Number 13 to number 19. Number 13, Fix. Finds number. Puts it in. Selfo for the 2 points. Baseline, Francisco. 12-4 ang ating score. Tumira ng 3 si Crencia, number 5. Rebound na yan ni number 19. Steal. Recovered ni Kelkel. Penetrates. Wala yan. Rebound na yan ni Crencia. Ganap na mabasahan si number 71. Number 18. 4 minutes remaining. Number 18 to number 1. Estrella. Penetrates. Drop pass to Crencia. Puts it in. 6-12 ang ating score in favor of Team Kelkel. Pass ka number 19. Back to number 21. Kelkel. Feliciano. Fakes. Number 13. Pinoy step. Wala. Rebound na yan ni Crecia. To Estrella. Estrella penetrates. And a foul.
Nakashoot ng isa.
First one is good. Score natin. 12-7. Romero! Tumira ng 3. Wala yan. Na-recover na yan. Na-rebound na number 21. To number 5, Crencia finds number 4. What a beautiful isolation offensive play by the team Tantan. 12-9 ang ating score. 3 minutes remaining. San Pedro finds number 21, Romero. Rejected. And a foul. number 29, pushing foul.
Ilan na foul?
Wala pa tayong penalty, wala pa. Dalawa pa lang kayo ng foul. Shot clock, sige, tuloy. 2 minutes, 53 seconds in this first quarter. Australia, nagano na basahan, finds Crencia. Finds number 4. Rejected by number 3. Steal. Nakuha ulit yan ni Crencia. Na-steal yan ni Francisco. Nakuha ulit ni Australia. Number 1. Number 1 steal. 10 to shoot. And a foul. A foul. Number 29, pushing foul.
Anong quarter lang doon yung platon?
Second.
Pag 1,000 second, pwede na mag, alternate. Solid yun ah.
Mira, wala pa rin yan. Recovered ni Crencia. What a beautiful execution. The baseline by Crencia. Bumaba ng isa ang kalamangan ng Team Fairfield. Ayan, nasa number 13. Feliciano penetrates, flies, rejected. Ni number 4. Finds number 1. Australia, lumipad. Puts it in.
Change
Change favor
favor.
na tayo. Time out. Wala, go, tuloy-tuloy lang. Lapit lang kayo dito. Papag-call kayo ng time out. Number 13. 2. De Castro to Kelkel. Overshoots. Rebound pa rin yan ni Francisco. Number 13. 2. Feliciano. Hesitates. In the paint. Jumper. Short ang tira. Rebound na yan ng team Tantan. Crencia to number 4. Same ball possession tayo. Time out.
Dalawang buwan na ito tayo.
We are now in the first quarter, still in the first quarter of this game. Time remaining 1 minute 25 seconds in this first quarter. Ang ating score, base mo na. Back to the ball game. 13-12 ang ating score. Lamang ang team Tantan. Alright, inbounding the ball, number 4. Looking for his teammates. Finds number 1, Australia, fakes a shot, Crencia, jumper, puts it in.
Number 5.
Pasok yan kay Crencia. Ito si San Pedro, beyond the arc shot. Short naman lang, rebound na yan ni Kelkel de Guzman. Drop pass to Romero for the 3, overshoots.
1 yung kanina.
Rebound na yan ni
Pasok ng 13 man score. Number 1 dito kila Tantan.
Australia, number 1. Number 4, puts it in. 17-12 ang ating score. 43 seconds. And si number 13, looking for his teammates, finds number 19, 10 to shoot, number 27, number 19, San Pedro, beyond the arc shot, overshoots, rebound in number 4, long pass, 2, same ball possession, 20, 18 seconds na lang tayo.
Alam mo na.
17-12 ang ating score. Crencia, hinaharas ni San Pedro. Crencia steal. Finds number 1. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Drop pass kay number 5. Crencia, wala. 4. Masang ka naman nyo.
Uy, sayang.
And that ends the first quarter of this game. Our score is 17-12 in favor of Team Tantan.
Platon?
Natun pa rin tayo.
Galero sa Oli.
Wala. 24 lang yan. Hindi gumagana 14.
Guguluhan ko lang siya pang ito.
Alright, back to the ball game. We are now in the second quarter. Platoon pa rin tayo until the end of the second quarter. Ball possession ng team Tantan. Yes, we are now in the second quarter of this game. 17-12 ang ating score in favor of team Tantan. Ayan na si Crenshaw, number 25. Finds number 11. Pulls up the trigger. Short ang tira.
Akin na yung baso. Akin na.
Number 21, San Pedro for the, no, Monteano pala, for the 3. Backward violation. Substitution, right?
Platon na. Platon pwede magano.
Jury. Kelkel, dribbling the ball. Lamang pa rin ang kupunan ng team Tantan. Kelkel for the 3. Wala, recovered by number 11. Puts it in. Headlock tayo sa 17. And there's a foul committed by number... Who's foul right? Number 11. 8 minutes, 53.
Bilangin mo lang yung foul. Nakailang foul na sila? Yung foul. Naka-4 na lang yung team.
Uy, nakashoot score.
3 points ba yun? 3 points yun.
Sino yung nakashoot ng break? Yun ang...
Score mo. 23 na ba yun? 23 yun.
Grabe yung score, ha? Oh, 23 yan.
Oh, man.
17.
Anong score na?
Ano yung 17 kanina ko yan? Kanina naman. Tapos nabaliktad yung score.
Hindi binaliktad. 20.
Dito kami.
Lamang kayo, lamang.
Lamang kayo ito.
Crenshaw for the 3.
Sino yung nakashoot ng break? Alis ko kayo sa mga yun lang ang monitor dyan. Shoot, foul, at saka rebound. Kahit hindi mo na i-monitor yung mga rebound, mga ganun. Foul lang ang monitor mo. Pero kung kaya mong i-monitor yung foul at saka assist.
Crenshaw, number 25. Drop pass kay number Estrella. Losing the ball. Lamang ng tatlo ang team Tantan. 20-17 ang ating score. Tumira ng 3 si Montiano. Deadlock na naman tayo. Crenshaw, fakes. And a troubling violation. And na si Igat to Kelkel. Rebound na yan ni Estrella. To Crenshaw. Penetrates. And a foul committed by number 8, Igat. Number 8.
Ilang foul na? 2 fouls na. Dito, team foul lahat. Total foul.
Penalty na. Penalty na tayo, ha?
Pag nakalipin yung foul na sila. Second quarter pa lang. 3 quarter lang. 3 quarter lang. O, isang foul pa lang. Wala ka na lang yung foul. 2 quarter, every quarter yan. Tignan lang ang
Igat for the 3. Short. Rebound. Loose ball tayo. Crenshaw. And the steal by Igat, number 8. Pass to Kel. Puts it in. What a beautiful play by the team Kel. Parang NBA yun ah. Ayan si Crenshaw. Pass to brother Crenshaw. Hinaharas yan ni Igat. And a foul committed by number 8. Substitution tayo.
Wala tayong sub pare.
Platon. Hanggang matapos ang second quarter, wala tayong substitution. Crenshaw recovered. To Crenshaw, number 5. Jumper. Short ang tira. Rebound na yan ni number 21. Kel to Igat. Puts it in. What a beautiful hustle play by the team Kel. Lamang ng 4 ang team Kel. Crenshaw for the 3. 23-25 ang ating score. Time remaining 5 minutes 8.
Platon.
5 minutes. Number 11 to San Francisco. Wala pa rin yan. Na-rebound pa rin ni. Number 8. Time out. Platon tayo. Time out. Okay, 3 points yun. 3 points.
Hindi, okay na yun.
23-27 ang ating score. Platon substitution tayo. Umira ng tres ulit si Crenshaw. Wala yan. No steal in the second quarter of this game. Mark ng 4 ang kapunan ni Team Kel. San Pedro finds number 11. Jumper at the baseline. Pasok yan per meter by number 11. Salto. Crenshaw to Crenshaw. Finds number 4. Spins. Steal. By number 13. Lumipad si Kel. Overshoots. Rebound na yan ni number 5. Crenshaw. Steal by number 11. Selfo. Floater shot. And a foul. Committed by number 1. Foul number 1. Estrella. Selfo making the first one.
Oo, naglaro kami. Papa, naglaro siya ang buhangin.
Second one, wala tayo. Entering violation tayo. Sobrang intense ang laban, 23-30. We're still in the second quarter of this game. Time out tayo pagkatapos niyan. Time out yan. Selfo for the second one is good. Time out. Team Tantan. Time remaining 4 minutes 7. This time is brought to you by Mr. and Mrs. Fernandez, Mr. and Mrs. Hayes. Our sponsors. Shout out sa ating sponsor. Shop for Fridays, Hokolema. Back to the ball game tayo, 23-31 ang ating score. 4 minutes 7 seconds in this second quarter. Estrella, inbound na ball. Warning, delaying the game. Australia. number 19, San Pedro to number 13, Francisco overshoots, rebound ni number 4, and a steal by the Guzman, overshoots, rebound ni number 11 to number 13, short, na-rebound na yan ni number 4, number 4, nagmamadali, nakita si number 1, Estrella, penetrates, and a foul committed by number 19.
Foul sa number 19. Kailangan mo lang yung foul.
Number 4 finds number 5, Gracia at the baseline with a foul by number 1.
Ilang foul na siguro?
Number 11, sorry. 2 personal fouls, number 11. Penalty situation na tayo.
Boss, pag pa ito, ready mo yun.
Oh.
Ready mo yun?
Number 5, Gracia. First one is good. 24-31 ang ating score. Second one, wala yan. Recovered by the team Tantan. And a score! Puts it in. Pumasok. Tingnan mo, number 16. Number 18.
Time out daw pag na-shoot.
Time out ang team Kelkel pag na-shoot. And one shot by number 18. Time out tayo. Time out. Time out, time out.
Nakalima na penalty. Oo, may foul. Nakailang foul na kayo yung 10 na.
Hindi na nakabalik. 9:13 na. 9:13.
Okay, back to the play tayo.
9:13.
Yeah. 2 minutes, 56 seconds in the second quarter. 26-31 on the score. As number 13, Feliciano. Hindi talaga nag-iwanan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Ayan na, si number 27. Oh, Romero, burning the arc. Wala, short ang tira. Rebound na yan ni Crencia. Crencia, wala nang napapasahan. Pass number 4. Oh, Crencia. And a foul committed by number. Penalty situation na tayo. Number 27, foul. First personal pair, I can tell. First personal foul, Kelkel. Penalty situation, Crencia is in the line. First one is good. This time is brought to you by Fridays, Cocomelon, Shop for Mr. and Mrs. Fernandez, and Top Toto Reyes, our sponsors. Ayan na, na-rebound na yan ang Team
Latin ba yun?
Kelkel.
Hindi po pwede sa...
Tapos na, pagkatapos niyan.
Pagkatapos na.
Na-rebound na yan ang Team Kelkel. Ayan na, si San Pedro. Naghanap ng mamasahan. Si number. Binalik kay San Pedro. 9 to shoot. 7 to shoot. Romero. Bang! Romero, 3 points. 34-27 ang ating score. 1 minute 57. Inbound in the ball. Romero again. Pulls it in! 3 points. Romero. Nakadalawang tira na si Romero sa 3 points. Crencia. Nagmamadali. Crencia still. Crencia 2. Number 4. Puts it in. What a beautiful drop pass. Underneath shot by number 4. 1 minute 27. 29-27. Crencia. Pass to Crencia, penetrates, backs it in. 31-37 ang ating score. 6 na lang ang kalamakan ng Team Kelkel. And na. 1 minute na lang tayo in the second quarter. 59 seconds. 9 to shoot. Rebound na yan ng team Tantan. Next shot. Foul number. Offensive foul. Next shot. Offensive tayo. Number 25. Sorry.
Morning, Morrison to call.
Morning, Morrison meant to call. Number 25. Ang ating score, 31-37. Lamang pa rin ang Team Kerkel. Ang 6. Ang ganda ng laban ng dalawang kapunan na ito. 37 seconds na lang. Romero, tumira na naman. No overshoots. Wala. Short pala yung tira. 7 seconds. Estrella, number 16, number 1. Grancia pulls the trigger. In and out. Rebound na yan in number 11. Kyrie Irving, number 11. Penetrates behind the back pass. Track pass. Puts it in. Napakaganda. Time out tayo?
Time out, wala nang score.
Wala na. Wala nang oras. What a beautiful communication by Team Kerkel, making the score 39-31. We are now in the third quarter of this game. The game is getting intense. This time is brought to you by Shopmore, Fridays, Easy Mart, and Cap Toto Reyes, ang ating honorable captain. We are now in the third quarter of this game. Our score is 39-31 in favor of Team Kerkel.
Oh.
Pero hindi mo nababaguhin yung hindi mo nababaguhin yung
So in-score na tayo, pero yung score ganun pa rin ha, hindi magbabago. Idol, yung score pa rin ha, dito pa rin kayo ha, hindi babaguhin yan. So in-score lang. Our next game for tonight will be between Team El Toro and Team Irving again. This is our last game after this game. Number 11. Back to number 13. Drop pass. Steal. Ayan na si Grancia. Nagmamadali. Hinaharas. Recovered by Team Kerkel. Ayan na si Montiano. Steal number 0. Penetrates. And a score. And one shot yan. Kay number 0. Forcing 0. Sino yung who's foul, rep? Who's foul? Number 21. Walang free throw shot ni number 0. Number 11, penetrates Selfo. Na walang bola. Recovered ni Igan. Puts it in. Yan na si Grancia. Grancia. Number 24. Ayan ay. Anong tawag, rep? Traveling violation. Yan na, ang ating number 0, inaras na and almost number 4 penetrates in and out of bola, recovered and a foul. Number 23, number 20, sorry. Warning bench. Wala na tayong platoon. Number 4. Sino? The first one is good. Second one is still good. 35-41 ang ating score. That is our official score. Time remaining 8 minutes 38 in this third quarter. 35-41. Lamang ang team Kelkel. Number 11 for the 3 overshoots. Rebound na yan ni number 10. Nanganap na pabasahan. Nakakita si Crenshaw. Number 25 to number 0. And a loose ball. Number 27, backs it in. Kelkel, baseline shot using that board. Yan na si number 4, lumipad, puts it in. Number 8, Igat. Dribbling the ball, looking for his teammates, finds number 13, hesitates, finds number 11. Number 13, Beer. Wala. Substitution tayo, pag-dead ball. Ayan na si Crenshaw, hinakas ni number 11. Crenshaw, naghanap ng basahan. Crenshaw, also trigger from the downtown. Wala yan. Time out. Time out tayo. Referee? Or substitution tayo, substitution. Wala pa tayo mga. Our score is 43-37 in favor of Team Kelkel. We are still in the third quarter of this game, time remaining 7 minutes. And this time is brought to you by Coco Melon. And there's a foul committed by number 11. Third personal foul, number 11. Forcing Kelkel in the line for his bonus shot. This free throw is good. Guzman still. Wala. Rebound na yan ni. Airblast nila ni number 13. Number 13. Oh, Kelkel. And a foul committed by number 11. Fourth personal foul. Warning to number 11 for Broadway. Forcing Kelkel again in the line for his bonus shot. 37-44 ang ating score. Walang pira. Crenshaw to Crenshaw. Number 4. Number 0 hesitates, penetrates, the rebound in number 4 rejected. Nakuha pa rin ng team is steal by number 13. And a foul committed by number 0. Foul number 1. Wala pa tayo penalty. Wala pa. Isa pa lang. Isa na lang bago mag-penalty. Inbound in the ball, number 13 to number 27. Kelkel, hinaras ni number 11. Igat to Kelkel, faking the shot. Back to number 8, pulls the trigger, short. Rebound ni Kelkel, pero wala yan.
Ayan ako.
Crenshaw penetrates, puts it in. 39-44, bumaba ng 5, kalamangan. Time out tayo pag dead ball, ha. Loose ball, almost. Recovered. Substitution ng dead ball, ha. Maghintay tayo sa dead ball. Okay. Foul. Substitution tayo. Time out.
Stop lang naman pag time out ah. Relax. Di ba tumatakbo yung oras?
Ang unahin mong ano, yung
Tapos saka ka mag-buzzer.
Buti niya nabunod.
Kaya mo yan. Bakit? Paano mo rin niya? Magiging ano? Enjoy nyo lang.
The game is getting intense. seconds. Our score is 39-44. We are still on the third quarter of this game. 5 minutes 45 left. And this time is brought to you by Coco Lemon and Cap Toto Reyes, Barangay Captain of Barangay Turo. Intantas ball. Crencia to Crencia. To number 4. Number 4 in the paint. Hesitates. Penetrates. Puts it in. What a beautiful offensive score by number 4. Ayan na si number 13. Naghanap ng mapasahan si number 13. Back to number 13. To Igat, number 8. Hesitates. Floater. Puts it in. And shot. To number 0. Pulls the trigger. 3 points! Bumaba ng dalawang kalamangan ng Team Kerkel. Umabol na ng puntos. Ayan na, Team Kerkel number 13. 10 to shoot tayo. And a foul. Penalty situation. Penalty na tayo, ref.
Hindi pa foul na nila. Sa third quarter. Lima na ang foul. Third quarter na tayo. Pagka-fourth, balik. Okay, pagka-fourth, balik ka na sila.
Second one is at Goose. Iba na yan, number 4. Number 4 to Crencia. Crencia to Estrella. Crencia floater. Short. Recovered. Crencia the baseline. And a foul.
Sino daw? Sino yung na-foul? Ilang foul? Ilang foul? Ilan?
2 personal foul by Feliciano. Substitution tayo. Is 1. The second one is good. Isa na lang ang kalamangan. Substitution. Substitution. Oh, substitution. Okay.
Number 5.
Pumasok ito muna. Huling tira.
Yung isa hindi.
Ayan na si number 13, Feliciano, floater, short. Rebound, T. Kelkel. Kelkel. Recovered by number 13. Rebound in number 4. The big man. 2. Number 0. Number 0, dribbling the ball. And a foul. Oh, lifting violation. Carrying. That is a violation. Turnover tayo. (45-46) ang ating score. 4 minutes remaining in this third quarter. Feliciano, number 13, looking for his teammates. Dribbling the ball, beat with the legs, finds number. Igat, number 8 to number 21. Number 11, wala, recovered. Rebound na yun number 4. Nagmamadali, finds Estrella, 2. Loose ball violation, same ball possession. Inbounding the ball. Crencia. To number 0. Biniligay. Estrella. Wala. Rebound na yan. Ulit na. Take care. Substitution tayo. Number 4. The baseline. Rejected. Number 13. Foul. Who's foul rep? Outbound. Outbound.
Outbounds.
Crencia, inbound the ball. Loose ball tayo, same ball possession.
Wala.
Substitution tayo. Number 18. Number 4 out, number 18 in. Crencia to Crencia. Nakuha na number 11, number 8, Igat. Steal yan, Estrella. Long pass to Crencia. Crencia, lumipit na yan. Rejected, number 13. Foul, number 13. Foul sa Foul ba yung ref? Hindi. Wala. Walang foul. Wala. Crencia, tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound ni Estrella, number 21. Crencia, more than 3. Short ang tira. Number 13, throws in the midcourt. Cristiano. Number 27, De Guzman, looking for an open man. Finds Igat. In the paint. Kerkel puts it in. What a beautiful jumper. The perimeter shot. And almost a steal. Number 18. Number 18. Drop pass kay Crencia. Beyond the arc shot. And there's a foul committed by number 13. Foul. Forcing Crencia in the line for his 3 bonus shot. Substitution. 1 minute 42 in this third quarter. 45-48 ang ating score. Third one is not good. Same ball possession. Bound in the ball, Crencia. Finds Crencia. Overshoots. Rebound na yan ni number 30. Long pass to Kerkel. Number 27. Kerkel. Hinaras ni number 1. Number 19, San Pedro. 10 to shoot. Igat. Back to. Puts it in. De Guzman. Inulit lang na ni Guzman yung tira kanina. Crencia. Beyond the arc shot for the 3. Deadlock na tayo sa 50 all. Deadlock na tayo in this third quarter. 50 seconds na lang tayo. San Pedro. Kerkel. Igat, almost losing the ball. Floater shot, in and out, rebounding. Bola yan ng Team Kerkel.
Ulan ng Tantan.
Bola ng Team Tantan, sorry. 36 seconds.
Hindi, iniikat ko lang muna.
Crencia to Crencia. Estrella. Fakes the shot. Finds Crencia. In the paint. Recovered. Nakuha yan ni number 30. Number 11 to number 27. Drop pass. Kay number 8. 27. Puts it in. 52. 50 ang ating score.
Last.
Ayan na. 5 seconds na lang tayo. Offensive. Offensive foul. Penalty yan. Sa penalty situation. Walang penalty sa offensive. Walang penalty sa offensive. Inbound in the ball. Bola yan ng Team Kerkel. 3 seconds na lang tayo. Maser na lang maririnig nyo. Tumira. Wala. And that has the third quarter of this game. Ang ating score ay 50-52 in favor of Team
Puro kalaban niyo. Hindi.
Ating Kerkel ang lamang ng dalawa. We are now in the last quarter of this game. Fourth quarter na tayo. Dito na magkakaalaman.
Tingnan ko muna yung dalawa dyan.
We still have one game after this. Back to the ball game tayo.
Running time mo na yan para makalaro na kayo. Kailangan kasi running time talaga yan. Crencia.
Trencia. At the baseline. Naku yan Estrella. Puts it in with the paint shot by Estrella. Sayang, hindi nakuhanan yun. Ayan na, si Feliciano. Naghanap ng mapasahan. Si Feliciano. Montiano, number 30. Francisco, Montiano. Feliciano. Montiano. Puts it in! Montiano for 3. 52-55 ang ating score. Trencia. Trencia to Trencia, number 25. Hesitates. To Trencia, to number 4. 3 seconds violation. The number 80. Number 13. 21, Montiano. Number 11. Wala yan. Na-rebound na yan, Nick. Number 25, Trencia. Trencia 2. And a foul committed by number 25. First personal foul mo yan, Trencia. Second personal, sorry. Second personal foul. Number 21, Montiano. To San Pedro. Kaya naman ang papasahan si San Pedro. To number 11. Overshoot. To Estrella. And a foul. Committed by number 19. Substitution. Substitution din dito sa kabila. Dalawang timeout pa kayo, hindi pa kayo nagta-timeout sa fourth quarter. Number 4. Wala. 2 timeouts kayo dyan. 2 timeouts. 2 timeouts. Number 11. Vice number 21, Montiano. And a traveling violation. Dalawa pa tayo. 7 minutes. Trencia. Air ball. Nagmamadali yan si number 13, Feliciano. Penetrates. Pass to number, overshoots. Put back. Rebound na yan ni Trencia. Trencia to number 5, Trencia. And a foul committed by number. Ay, walang foul. Loose ball lang tayo. 6 minutes, 58. 52-55 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ang team. Kaya Trencia to Trencia. 4-3. Short lang ang tira. Rebound na yan ni Francisco. Francisco to number 11. Penetrates. Rejected. Recovered the number 0 to number 4. And a foul committed by number 13. Third personal foul, number 13. Wala pa tayong penalty, wala pa. Wala pa. Almost a steal, number 11. Finds number 21. Warning ka na, number 8, number 13 na, fourth personal foul na. Number 4, recovered, put back. Wala yan, hindi pumasok.
Sino na number 13. Fourth. Dito. Number 13.
Number 13, fourth personal foul. Team Kelkel. First one is good. Ang ating score ay
Score.
53-55. Second one, wala yan. Rebound na yan ni number 11. Number 11, dribbling the ball. Naghanap ng papasahan. Si Selfo. Selfo, 2. Montiano. So Selfo, penetrates. Finds Romero. Short ang tira. Rebound na yan ni number 4. Crenshaw. Pass to Crenshaw. In and out. Rebound pa rin yan ni. And a loose ball. Same ball possession. And na si Estrella, number 0. Number 0 still. Rebound ni. And a who's foul rap? Number 20. Penalty situation. Penalty. Number 20. Okay. Who's foul rap? Who's foul? Kanina.
30.
Number 30. Sorry, number 30. Ang ating score ay 54-55. Time out tayo. Time out. Hindi na shoot. 21. Romero, beyond the arc shot. Short. Ngayon ni Crenshaw. 2. Number 4. To Estrella. Steal by number 0. Number 0 penetrates, naipit. Who's foul?
Technical tayo, friends. Technical na.
Technical best. Technical. Technical foul by the bench sa team Tantan. Pwede kayo mag-time out. Pwede na mag-time out.
Pumasok kasi sa court. Hindi siya pumapasok.
Technical.
Warning na naman.
Ang ating score 54-55. Parang championship ang laban na ito. This is just an elimination game. Inbound the ball, Anderson. Foul. It's foul number. It's foul rep.
Double ball tayo, number 29 ng green, tsaka number 1 ng violet. Double ball, same ball tayo.
Double foul number 1 ng team green. Team 1. Double foul. Tigisa kayo. Ayan. Penalty na tayo, penalty. Double foul tayo, double foul.
Sub daw.
Pag dead ball ay short ang tira, recover ni Crenshaw. Crenshaw for the 3. Puts it in! Lamang na ang team Tantan ng dalawa. Ayan na si Kelkel, naghanap ng mabasahan. Selfo penetrates, floats. Short ang tira. Na-rebound ni Estrella. Number. Crenshaw pulls up. Short. Rebound na yan ni Kelkel. Elkel still. Guzman. Wala pa rin ang tira ni Francisco sa baseline. Estrella. And a foul committed by number 29. Penalty situation na tayo. Penalty situation. Time out. Team Kelkel. 57. Number 29. Warning for graduation. Number 29. Number 13. Warning din sa graduation.
Graduation.
This time is brought to you by Fridays, Shop More, Coco Melon, Easy Mart, Barangay Captain, Toto Reyes. Back to the ball game tayo. We are now in the last quarter of this game. Time remaining 3 minutes 21. Our score 55-57.
Diyan na si Koyos, oh.
Estrella in the line for his bonus shot. The first one is gold. Lamang na ng tatlo ang team Tanda. Second one, wala yan. Yeah, number 13, Feliciano, Tomantiano, to number 13, number 11. Penalty situation tayo, foul. Who's foul rep number? Number 5. Number 13, Feliciano. Hinaharas yan ni Estrella. Back to Feliciano. Penetrates. Finds number 11. Selfo. Jumps. Overshoots. Bounding the ball. Crenshaw to Crenshaw. Ito. And a steal by number 13. Number 13. Drop pass at number 11. Selfo. Finds number 13. And there's a foul. Penalty situation rep. Who's foul rep? Penalty na. Number 18. Foul. Penalty situation. Forcing number 11 in line for his bonus. This is what is good. Ang ating score, 58-56. Nandito na ang Team El Toro. Sila na ang susunod na maglalaban between Team Irving.
Graduate ka na. Lapit.
Baka hindi totoo yun sa Michael.
Joke lang yun, joke.
Alright. Time remaining in this last quarter, 2 minutes 11. Estrella in the line. First one, missing the shot. Rebound na yan ng Team Kelkel. Nagmamadala si Montiano. Finds Kelkel. Wala pa rin yan. Rebound na yan ng Team Tantan. And a foul committed by number 5. Offensive foul tayo. Number 5. Penalty tayo, penalty. Last 2 minutes tayo, 1 minute 55 seconds na lang. Sige lang. Selpo, fakes, loose ball. Nakuha yan ng team. Tantan, 1 minute 46. Crencia, to Estrella, penetrates, overshoots. Rebound pa rin ng team Tantan. Crencia, 25. Wala, rebound ni number 4. Overshoots, rebound ni number 13. Nagmamadali. Feliciano, penetrates, and a foul.
Meron pa silang timeout? Dito.
Penalty tayo, guys. Third personal foul, si number 5. Third personal foul mo na yan. We only have 1 minute 22 in this last quarter. 56-58 ang ating score. Iwasan pa natin pumasok sa court. Mag-technical kayo.
Nice one!
13, missing the first one. Labang pa rin ang team. Tantan ang dalawa. Oh, hindi.
Hindi na running time. Dalawa pa yan! Last 1 minute na siya.
Second one is still not good. Napakahalan ni number 13, Feliciano. Our next game for tonight will be between Team El Toro and Team Irving B. Third one is good. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng team Tantan. Crencia again. Crencia penetrates, floats, puts it in. Igat. Garap na mabasahan. Igat. 1 minute na lang tayo. Igat for the 3, overshoots. Seconds remaining. 60-57 ang ating score. Bola ng team Tantan. And almost a steal. Na-steal yan ng team Kelkel, number 13. Pinasakay number 21. Kelkel for the 3. Wala. Rebound na yan. Crencia, hinaharas. Crencia to Crencia. To number 1. Losing the ball. Loose ball. Time remaining. Number 13, Tumira. Nakuha ni Kelkel. Wala pa rin yan. Rebound na yan ni number 4. Number 4 to number 1. Estrella. And a foul. Committed by number 11. 17 seconds na lang tayo. Shot clock. 17 seconds na lang tayo.
Naman sila tatlo.
Ayan, manalo na sila.
Estrella in the line. Sablay ang tira. 17 seconds ang natitira. Estrella. Pressured. Yes, sir. Second one is good.
7, 8, 9, 60, 61. Panalo na sila yan.
Third one is good. Lamak na ng apat ang
17 na lang.
Tintanta, number 13, Feliciano. Tumira ng 3, Igat. Wala. 10 seconds na lang tayo. Crencia. And a foul. penalty. Number 8. Warning for graduates, number 18. 7 seconds left in his last quarter. Crenshaw in the line for his bonus shot. And it's good. 63-57.
Napanalo na sila.
Second one is good. Number 11. 5 seconds to shoot. Tumira na 3 points.